To open, locate the release catch on the side of the door and pull. To close, push until it clicks back into place. The same goes for the salad drawer beneath. To turn the fridge freezer on, press and hold the black power button on the left until the panel illuminates. Flashing lights and beeping means there is no power source available. To select the power source, press and hold the grey button until the power source symbols flash. Use the arrow buttons to scroll to the power source required. Press the grey button again to confirm. The fridge will then power up automatically. Once you've confirmed your power source, you can now select the correct temperature. Again, using the arrow buttons and pressing the grey button to confirm. Once either the electric or gas power source has been selected, it will take about 3 to 4 hours for the fridge to get down to temperature. A stands for automatic and will automatically select the best power source available. Before driving, switch the power source to the battery symbol. Once the engine is running, a current will then be supplied directly from the alternator, which will maintain the temperature of the fridge whilst on the move.